Hey, what's up mga kachologs? This is Baldo once again, ang kalbong gigolo ng Leyte. Well, today's vlog, this is a year starter travel with my friends. Andun na sila sa loob. So, tara, kakotsa tayo. So this is the place, guys. Okay naman siya. Maganda dito. Astig yung mga cottages. This is how it looks like here. Teka, hanapin ko lang yung pangalan ng resort. Say hi. Silhouette.
May pumuda po.
Ito yung name ng resort, San Jose Ski Boarding Camp. Nandito kami ngayon sa San Jose, Leyte.
San Jose, Dulag, Leyte.
Let's go. Let's check their cottages. Look, oh. You can even dine in here. Look, guys. Yung dagat malapit lang sa mga cottages, katapos ang lawak nung shore niya. Pwede mag-date dito. Ang nice yung place. Again, guys, mga kajologs, dito siya sa San Jose, Leyte. Look. Nature na nature din siya. Nature na nature. Look. Again, guys, if you like to visit in this place, you can check out the name of the resort that I shown you earlier. Hey, guys!
Kaya din na nag-vlog eh.
Ito.
Kilala.
Hi, I'm Joanna.
Hi! This is Baldo once again.
Ang kalbong gigolo ng Leyte.
Memorize na lang. Ano? Ano to? Oh. Hello guys, nandito po.
Pulo! Pulo!
Ano, tro. Oh, hi, hello guys. Tagay, tuba. Dito pala kami sa surf camp sa sa Dulag, Leyte. See? See the sea.
See the sea.
She's the sea, yes. Cheers pala, Baldo. Cheers.
Cheers naman to.
Mag-surf kami mamaya.
Surfing! Look, the waves. So nice.
Luto lang pala yung isda nila.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's up mga kachologs? This is Buldo. Once again, ang kalbong gigolo ng Leyte. Well, that would be all. Yung first or year starter escapade or getaway or travel, ano man yan. Year starter travel ng tagaharo lang ang Malakas Squad. So, just want to say thank you to Rene and to Jackie for always inviting me. At the same time, to Jackie, most special to Jackie kasi minsan siya yung nagvi-video pag medyo nalilibang na o masyado sa tagay, siya na yung nagvi-video at tapos kinakopy ko na lang yung mga video dun sa cellphone niya. So thank you so much. Shout out, wash out to Jacqueline Omega. I know you are facing some problems right now, pero ayan, laban lang. Andyan si Papa God. Laban lang. So, again, as always, before I end this vlog, I just want to say thank you to everyone, to all of you. Well, it's been like, how many months already? 5 months? 4 months. And still, you guys, kung sino man kayo dyan na nanonood na maabot kahit papano ng 100 to 200 views, minsan maabot na ng 1,000 yung iba, I really do thank you from the bottom of my heart. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much guys for always watching my videos na hindi nagsasawa kahit paulit-ulit na lang. Ewan. But soon, hopefully, mas maging may sense na yung mga video ko. But for now, just give me this chance or this moment to grow. To grow as. Or to grow in this field. So, just follow my journey as it goes and goes. Right. Wala na akong masabi. So again, thank you so much again guys. And as I always say, please always do give me a big thumbs up. Always leave a comment. And also share this video. And also, if you are new here in my channel, just kindly do subscribe. At the same time, do click the notification bell for you to be updated in every video that I'll be uploading in my YouTube channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Pawika Hudo, nagrisyo kami. Bye!